Hello, I'm Adrian Marino. But did you know that industries who utilizes chemical reagents has a market of 336 billion pesos? You heard that right? 336 billion pesos. That's a lot of money, right? And for each of these businesses, they usually spend for at least 30% of their operational budget cost for inventory management alone. Adding up to that, did you know that expenses in a business can be reduced by 35% with proper inventory management of chemicals? That's about 84 million pesos annually that can be saved instead of being thrown away. Can you imagine the cost of poor handling of chemicals? That's like throwing money in the trash. But wait. What if I tell you there's a solution to make dispensing and storage of chemicals more efficient, accessible, centralized, and user-friendly? Yes, there is, and we have it. Introducing the Digital Reagent Tracking Dispenser. But what exactly does it do? Let's go to John Rafael Manuel for the details.
So, what does this product do? The Digital Reagent Tracking Dispenser is a device that conveniently measures the mass and volume of your sample. So, no hassle. It is also linked to an Excel spreadsheet program which records all of your data for easier inventory management. Easy! We saw the shortcomings of poor chemical inventory management. At the same time, me and my colleagues have presented a solution. A solution with an efficient, accessible, and centralized system. A user-friendly system of chemical dispensing. So let's stop talking about our problem and start focusing on the solution instead. Again, I'm John Rafael Manuel, and this is the Digital Reagent Tracking Dispenser. Track your inventory, track your money. Thank you.